Yo, wagwan my people. It's your boy Hits and yes, najua nikivaa hivi mnafikiria ni Andrew Kibe. This is not Andrew Kibe, my guy. Yeah, so it's your boy Hits and yes. Now welcome to the Hits and yes podcast, one of the baddest, one of the biggest podcasts that is coming. Before you continue, remember to hit the notification button, subscribe, share, like and comment. So today I want to bring you to one of the biggest and one of the baddest, one of the most famous guy that is commonly known as Dapper Man. Yeah, it's a very inspirational story and I'm sure it will bring most of you to the attention. Yeah, of course, Dapper Man is one of the celebrities of Kenya, one of the most successful people in Kenya. But most of you are asking, what is the storyline behind this guy? Alipull up tu aje akafika penye amefika. Now, Dapper Man was famously known as MC Humbo. MC Humbo, I'm sure that Humbo name is a Luya name. Remember, he is a Luya, and I'm sure that name is a Luya name. And Dapper Man exactly is one of the guys who went into so much struggles. Yeah. Just to start with Dapper Man, he was famously known as MC Humbo. Then siku zikaenda, njia zikafunguka, and later he was known as Dapper Man. Many people are calling him Dapper Man, but he was known as Dapper Man. Yeah. So Dapper Man, he has a very interesting story, so very painful stories. Yeah, sad stories. But right now, she's in there. But right now, he is in the fruits of sweetness, enjoying his days. Yeah, Dapper Man was a comedian. Alikuwa anapenda kuvaa diapers. Hata akapewa brand ambassador of diaper in Kenya. Diapers in Kenya, and also to market watoto something, the diapers of watoto. So this guy, he has a very painful story behind there. Dapper Man, he didn't finish his studies. I don't know why he didn't finish his studies, but Dapper Man did not finish his studies. Later on, Dapper Man, he has been to prison. He was in prison because of accusations by his stepmother. It's a very painful story that I won't need to explain because of some private information. Yeah, but I'm sure in one of the episodes we shall be having Dapper Man with us, and he will be explaining to us what exactly happened, what are the outcomes, what led to it. But as we can see on the video,
ulika kwa jela how many years?
Kwa nimefungwa 15 but nilikaa 7. Sikumaliza zote.
Ulika 7 years.
Yeah, juu
1 2 3 4 5 7 years.
Jela inahesabiwanga asubuhi, mchana na usiku.
So basically ulika 3 years and a half.
Ndio probation ndio iliniachilia. Probation yao masanso ndio nimekwambia. Wanakujanga. Kafika Mande, nilidhani nitaonekana nipewe nafasi. Kafika Mande, wembe ni ule. Kaba kwa gengi yako. Na kaba ngapi? Shamba hapo. Ya Mungu, saidie tu hapa. Tuesday,
it explains ama amejaribu ku explain why he was imprisoned for 15 years. Imagine, for 15 years Dapper Man has been in prison for 15 good years. Now, Diaperman later alichange jina. Suddenly, this is after he went to Oga Obinna show. Now, in fact, these guys struggled to look for these guys. Even recorded he went for some interviews, just saying, if I get Oga Obinna, maisha yangu itakuwa imefunguka.
Hata mimi pale kesho nataka Obinna tukiwa pale na yeye nifanye kitu yenye hata Wakenya watasema Obinna huyo jamaa na demo wa Facebook wabaki kwa show yako. Sina kazi ingine. Bado Obinna namuomba kazi kando na kumrequest interview, bado hata kama ni kupanguza tu kiatu yake kila mahali anaenda. Bora niko hapo na yeye.
A few moments later.
Sasa kwa eating, we ni number 1 kwa Obinna TV Studios staff. You are leading.
Baadaye kuna watu wengi huniita chizi. Mimi niko normal. Ni warembo. Nyinyi warembo nyinyi mnafanyanga tu. Bwana.
Kuja tu.
Tuko live.
Nikuonyeshe.
Sawa. Nakuja. Sawa.
Maisha yangu
hii ni comedy. Hii ni comedy.
It opened up. It seriously opened up. He even created a poster, very big poster saying, nikipatana na Eric Omondi, one of his biggest and the baddest dream that you will ever encounter. But Diaperman later met Oga Obinna. That Oga Obinna, this man is very, very kind. He invited him to his show, one of the show. So Diaperman alienda kwa ile show, akaonyeshana skills zake, akasema everything. He did the interview very well. It was well successful, and after there, guess what?
Sasa mimi the main reason ninaonanga demo anafanyanga ndiye anifunge.
Hebu lala wenye unalalanga akikufunga.
Wakati natoka.
Before utoke kwa nyumba anakufunganga unakuanga aje?
Ananiambia lala kwa kitanda. So cha kwanza wanachukua hiyo diaper wanaweka hapa hivi, si ndio? So mimi naweka makalio hivi. Hivyo. Anafunga. Ananiambia geuka nitengeneze. Geuka. Anatengeneza. Aniambia baba simama. Nasimama. Anatengeneza hivi. Aniambia geuka. Tena nageuka. Angalia kama sitting capacity imeingia vizuri. Sasa kimaliza niambia sasa vaa longi uende.
Si unafanga na longi?
Ukiona baadaye ukiniona nimenona mimi mwenyewe ni 1GB. Ukiniona siku moja nimedunga luku na nimenona confirm.
Oga Obinna akampea kazi, and there, hapo ndio sasa maisha ya Diaperman ikaanza ku have some change, and that's where he started to become successful. I want to bring you to one of the most interesting stories. Diaperman was working at Oga Obinna. Alipewa kazi mara ya kwanza. Yeye kwanza aliambia Oga Obinna, I want you to give me any work, hata kama nikupanguzia viatu.
Bado Obinna namuomba kazi kando na kumrequest interview, bado hata kama nikupanguza tu kiatu yake kila mahali anaenda. Bora
kufanya even if it is serving the guest. And he was given a work serving guests at Obinna Show Studios. And as we are speaking right now, Diaperman has been given a work about a very trending and a very great story called Zabe Show, where Katelo, the Jamaican boy, left Obinna TV. I don't know for the reasons why he left Obinna TV, but he left Obinna TV and went. And Diaperman took over. He was given that chance, and right now Diaperman is live.
So this lawyer guy is called Diaperman. Daba. He was diaper. So nikamwambia to change from diaper sasa ikwe Diaperman. alikuwa anafanya diaper.
Alright.
First time alifanya diaper akasema Obina usiponiita kwa hiyo interview yake. Kanithreaten down nikamuita. Then we became friends after. So
nice,
si ufanya naye Zabe and the rest. Kutoka Busia.
Nice.
Leo ameniletea kuku na samaki mbili.
Yeah, I see you're doing a good job. You're bringing the upcomings, you know, together.
Ndio we ngoja.
And is taking over Zabe Show. Yo, so as we continue, remember to check out Zabe Show. Don't forget to subscribe to this episode. Remember, this is the first episode of solo podcast at Hits Nadia's studio. Podcaster, this is Nadia's, your host. So Dapperman is currently working at Obina Show Live. Right now we have so many freedom, so many stories to tell. Yeah, it is an inspiring story to most of us. Imagine not finishing to go to school, not finishing studies. Later on, you are being yani unapelekwa jela, you stay in prison, you're being prisoned. You face imprisonment for 15 years because of accusations from your step mom. Wow. It's a very sad, and it is very sad. Later on, Dapperman right now is riding over the good fruits, the honey flow, the crema. Yeah. And while on his Obina Live show, as Dapperman akifanya kazi yake ya serving, just before apelekwe Zabe Show, yeah, he got someone kumshikilia, not just kumshikilia, but to keep him company and make sure the conjugal rights are fulfilled. Scholar Mami Mboga mwenyewe. Yeah, Scholar Mama.
The way I have seen you, your beautiness. When I go with you, Busia, every man of Busia will start smiling just because of you. You ni kisungo tupu. Nimeweza sio. Urembo wako umefanya nimetabasamu na niko tayari kukububujika na.
Yeah, Scholar Mama Mboga, one of the influential ladies that amekuja to take over the influential episode.
I found a love for me.
Influential series right now. Scholar Mami Mboga is commonly known as one of the greatest guy, one of the greatest lady that amekuwa akiuza mboga. She is a degree holder. Anauza mboga. Alikuwa Obina Show Live, and while in the Obina Show Live, guess what? Dapperman decided to check out this video.
Ulijua vizuri kinuna mimi ndo nadeka. Sijadhani kiburi uniache ukaja kuchekwa. Debira haya shughuli mkunwa wila heka heka. Oh, usichokipenda wewe chunga na mimi usinifanyie mgomba wangu mwenyewe eti.
Yeah, so Dapperman decided to propose to Scholar Mami Mboga, and thereafter everything became successful. The couples became engaged in everything. They fulfilled and they are now meeting their couple goals. And don't forget, they also opened a YouTube channel, both of them, the Dapperman family. But anyways, not just the air, everything is expected. Very good things is expected, and we are expecting a lot from the couples. Yeah, Dapaman is now telling a very inspirational story to Kenyans. Every Kenyans have posted an eye on them. Kenyans are looking up to them. And we are very grateful of Dapaman because he is now gracing and enjoying life. From zero to hero. From MC Humble, Diaperman wearing a diaper. And right now, Zabe Show live on Obina TV live today. Obina amesaidia watu wengi from my perspective. Amesaidia watu wengi sana. Obina has really helped a lot sana. And we appreciate sana Obina. We really appreciate. You're doing good work. Amazing job for Dapaman. Right now amepewa so many brands. The Gym Fitness in Utawala, Nuria Bookshop, and so many other. So many. He's now a brand ambassador and so many. Utoto's World, marketing them. So, stay tuned to one of the episodes. We shall be inviting Dapaman to come and talk to us. Tell us more about his life, his storyline, how he became succeeder, and how he will come to change life of the people in the society. Stay tuned, subscribe to my YouTube channel before you go. Like this video, and don't forget to share. All social media platforms, it's Snadi S. And this is It's Snadi S Podcast. And I'm your host, Snadi S. Hit #1 podcast running on social media.